on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making homemade lemonade. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, ice, sliced lemon, fresh mint leaves, and also 6 large lemons. To our 2 cups of hot water, we're going to add in our 1 cup of sugar. Now we're just going to mix it until the sugar melts. Now you can set it to the side. Next we're going to cut our lemons into half and we're going to juice them. You want 1 cup of lemon juice. Okay guys, we have our 1 cup of lemon juice. Now to my pitcher, I'm going to add in my lemon juice. Then I'm going to add in the 2 cups of water and the sugar. We're just going to go ahead and give that a good mix. Next, we're going to add some ice. Now you want to add some lemon slices. Go ahead and mix that around. Next, I'm going to add some mint leaves. You just want to squeeze them so they'll release the oil. And we're going to put a few leaves in our lemonade. Now we're going to give that a mix. And we're also going to add more ice to it. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some bottles of water so I fill my pitcher up. Now we can go ahead and mix it. And you guys, if you taste it and need more sugar, you can always add some more. Okay guys, now it's time to pour a glass. Okay guys, so this is our refreshing homemade lemonade. As you can see, I added some slices of lemon to my glass and also a mint leaf and a slice of lemon for garnish. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all thirsty yet?
Y'all hungry yet?